This is the pinnacle of precision. Welcome to the birthplace of the ultimate driving machine.
Every legend starts with raw elements, high-strength steel and aerospace-grade carbon fiber. Thousands of tons of pressure forge the signature lines of the BMW silhouette. The carbon core, an engineering breakthrough for unmatched strength and agility. Total immersion. Every millimeter is protected against the elements for a lifetime. The marriage, where the soul of the engine meets the strength of the chassis. Precision at every level. The exact chemical balance of performance and protection is delivered. Millimeter perfect. Every gap and curve is measured by light to ensure flawless harmony. The first breath of a new engine, a symphony of power, ready for the world. A digital heart. Millions of lines of code, perfectly synced for the ultimate user experience. Extreme testing. Because luxury means peace of mind in any weather, anywhere on Earth. Protected and ready. Every BMW is shielded for its journey to its new home. From a single sheet of steel to the ultimate driving machine, this is the art of BMW.